Tired of chasing that elusive dream called financial success? What is financial success anyway? Is it a certain amount? Is it $1 million? Or just enough to get out of debt and pay your bills without having to worry? When you consider the present economic environment, financial freedom does not have to be that much. How about an extra $500 per month? That would avert 85% of bankruptcies. How about an extra $1,000 per month? How about an extra $1,000 per week? How about an extra $1,000 per day? Would that make a profound difference in your life? The money system is designed to trap people into financial slavery and to keep them there most of their lives. The more in debt you are, the more the financial system benefits. Credit card debt. With a $3,000 limit, if you were to pay the minimum monthly payment, it would take approximately 20 years to pay it off. Credit cards allow you to buy the things you want now, but inhibit the ability to have what you need in the future. Car lease debt. How much is your car really costing you? Mortgage debt. How much is your home really costing you? Loan debt. Do you have loans for flat screen TVs, furniture, travel, vacations, student loans, home improvements, on and on and on? Think about it. It's not surprising when we hear the statistics. At age 65, 53% of men and 82% of women still need financial assistance just to live on a day-to-day basis. So if most of the population is in debt, where is all the money going? Consider this. Ever heard the phrase, money makes the world go round? Average automobile costs $25,000. So for every 40 cars, that's $1 million in cash flow. Average home, $250,000. So for each 4 homes, that's also $1 million in cash flow. We are surrounded by money that flows past us all the time, literally. When you drive to work, as you pass people's houses, when you arrive at the office, when you pay your taxes, hundreds of millions of automotive dollars, billions of real estate dollars, trillions of tax dollars. The financial engine that drives all of this on a global scale is called the FOREX market. The FOREX market is quite simply the largest market in the world. According to the Financial Times, the daily volume is upwards of $3.2 trillion per day. Let's take a look at how much that really is. Imagine a global lottery that amassed $3 trillion before somebody won. If they were to be paid out at $1 million per day, it would take over 7,500 years. That's a lot of money. These trillions pass us each and every day, 24 hours a day, 6 days a week. It passes you, it goes over you, it goes through you in cyberspace. Unlike the stock markets of the world, there is no physical location for the Forex market. These trillions move from bank to bank, country to country, continent to continent each and every day, via the internet. We invite you to join us for the next few minutes on a journey of discovery regarding the Forex market. Let us show you how anybody with a computer, a connection to the internet, the right software and some basic education can learn to succeed in the Forex market. The Forex market is the main circuit, if you will, the pulse that makes the world go round, the financial heartbeat. We'll teach you how to plug into this current and learn to take as much as you need according to your capacity virtually any day, anywhere in the world via the internet, using virtual money with demo accounts. If we could teach you a skill that you could take into the rest of your life, where you could tap into an ever-increasing pool of money, and with a demo account take hundreds of dollars, thousands of dollars, tens of thousands of dollars, virtually every month, every week, every day, would that be a valuable use of your time? So what is the Forex market anyway? It is the movement of currencies from bank to bank. The major currencies that represent 85% of the Forex market are the Great British Pound, the Euro, the Swiss franc, the Japanese yen, the Australian dollar, and the Canadian dollar against the US dollar. This money flows in and out of the United States every day, mostly as a result of economic indicators and the release of this data. So what are economic indicators? Economic indicators are the tools that governments use to measure and report on the health of their economies. When we watch the news, they were often mentioned. See if you recognize any of the following: import-export rates, balance of payments, manufacturing reports, consumer confidence reports, housing starts, jobless rates. So, for example, let's say the release of the economic indicator for import-export rates is very positive for a particular month for the United States. This means that more jobs are sustained and created manufacturing products that the rest of the world is buying. More employees pay more taxes. Good for the government, good for the economy, good for the US dollar. As a result, money will start to flow into the United States from European and Asian markets, which in turn drive up the value of the US dollar. So where does this money come from? Banks are the big players, corporations, pension funds, and institutions are also major contributors. As the value in this example of the US dollar increases, the value of the euro, the Great British pound, the Swiss franc, Japanese yen, Australian, Canadian dollars would be decreasing against it. So what does that mean for us? It means we can increase our ability to take successful trades as a result of these fluctuations. If you know on what date and at what time the economic indicators to be released, we can take advantage of the trends that occur. All we do is wait for the market to act. Then with confirmation that a trend is occurring, we react to the market. Because the Forex market only closes on Saturdays, there was always some activity virtually 24 hours a day, 6 days a week. The three main markets are Asia, Europe, and the United States of America. It is this constant, never-ending movement of currencies from bank to bank, country to country, continent to continent that drives the Forex market. It is a heartbeat that never stops, a heartbeat that gets stronger and stronger, day by day, week by week, month by month. The software we provide allows you to see this river of currency as it flows in real time. We'll provide the following: software, education, support, and ongoing training. You test it from yourself and learn the simple, basic skills without risking a dime by using demo trading accounts for as long as you need until you feel completely confident of your trading abilities. Quite simply put, allow Currency Connect to become your portal to the world's financial heartbeat.